Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're interested in seeing what I picked up from the Friends and Family sale at Macy's, just keep on watching. Now, to be honest, I am pretty disappointed about the packaging. Usually they come in a box, and right here I could already feel that there is no box. I could already feel the bag, so I am hoping that it is not messed up or scratched up or squished or anything. So I'm disappointed with the fact that it's not packaged in a box like they usually always do. But nonetheless, let's hope for the best and let's get to it. What the heck? What the heck? It's already... So, here is the bag. I was hoping it was already still wrapped with the little tissue paper and everything. So this might be a bag that was already displayed, or because it usually has tissue. This is the Coach Quilted camera bag with rivets. This bag originally retails for $3.50, and I got it during the Friends and Family sale, which I believe is still going on now, and it's December 10th. I got it for 30% off, and came out to $2.66 with tax included. I was hoping it was wrapped up with tissue. There's already a scratch right here. I'm not sure if the camera's picking that up. Right here, the hairline scratch. Right there. Also, I just noticed this scuff, or I'm not sure what it is. Not sure if the camera is picking that up. So I will be going back to Macy's and exchanging this one for another one right there. Because I did not pay all that money to get one that's already scratched and scuffed up. I would like a new one. So I will be exchanging it. But I'm very happy with the purchase. It's a very beautiful bag. I am loving it. And here's another scuff right there. What the heck, Macy's? Yeah, this one is going back, and I am purchasing this bag again, and hopefully it will arrive packaged nicely and how I usually receive them, new. So I might just be that it was a store display model. Inside here does come with a dust bag. How big the dust bag is. Good size. I might have to go and exchange it for one that has not been touched. Inside here, see how it's wrapped with tissue to protect the hardware and everything. That's how usually the outside of it is too. Anyways, inside here is one slip pocket, care card, and on the other side is another slip pocket. The inside of it is a burgundy color, darker burgundy, like an ox blood color. don't know where that came from. So the inside seems pretty spacious. There's quilting in the front. Quilting in the back with a slip pocket. And it's not a magnetic pocket, it's just a simple slip pocket. No feet at the bottom. This bag really reminds me of the Gucci Disco Soho, or Soho Disco, whichever way it goes. And it's about the same structure and everything, and it could hold a lot. I really like the rivets. Here is the Coach emblem. I like how it's all different colors. And I love that the hardware is gunmetal. It has a nice weight to it, and of course it is removable. There's also Coach. Let's see if it could capture that. Coach right here on the hardware. The strap is adjustable. Here it is compared to the size of my iPhone 8 Plus. So it's about almost the same height as the iPhone 8 Plus. Almost the size, almost the height of the iPhone 8 Plus. And here it is, the length. Let me show you if it fits the back of the slip pocket. Barely fits, but it fits perfectly in there. So, as far as the inside, it's very helpful to open it up. This little circle loop zipper, very smooth. Inside, let's see if it fits the slip pocket inside. Okay, it will not fit the slip pocket inside, and neither will it fit on the other side. But it fits perfectly inside the phone, inside the bag. Let's see what else will fit. It would also fit. This is my Tory Burch wallet. I also have a video on it. And that fits perfectly in there. It also fit my Louis Vuitton key holder. Fitting it this way. Some sunglasses. And there's still more room to spare. So if you can tell, it fits a lot. And it feels pretty good weight to it. So it's a really nice camera bag. Here's what that looks like. I'm really happy with the purchase. Bring you closer. It's a gorgeous bag. I love it. It's a very good dupe for the Gucci disco. For the Soho disco. I'm loving the rivets. And it's a smooth leather, not a pebble leather. It's more of a smooth leather. So I'm happy about that. I prefer this leather, it looks more luxurious. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.